Hey guys, we're at the Santa Ana Airport. This is not exactly e-bike related, but I thought it would be worth sharing because it's really cool. I've never seen anything quite like it. It's the American Heart Association like CPR machine. You can actually like push down on this thing and it's got a little video tutorial. I've gone through it, so I'll give you the 2 steps. Call 911 or whatever your emergency system phone number is. Try to get some help, call for help. And then you push down about 2 inches. It's pretty far, and I think you might end up kind of cracking the cartilage and stuff. It can be a little bit traumatic, and you do it to kind of the tune of that song, like staying alive, staying alive. That's the pace. This is what it looks like. You kind of lace your hands together, and this machine, you feel it, right? It's the palm of your hands, and it's kind of tiring. Like, I've been working up a sweat here a little bit. Yep, just like that. And you can see up here, it's telling me to like push deeper, but I'm good at in terms of like the pace. Thank you so much, man. I really appreciate it. Rock on. Maybe you've been saved by CPR, or you have some feedback. Yeah, again, this is not e-bike related, but maybe you're out on your bike, you see someone who needs help, like that guy who got struck by lightning, and you can help them, and then you make a friend and go for a ride. So I'll see you next time.